Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your Facebook password. So in order to change your Facebook password, what you need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you've clicked here, you can notice this settings here option present at the top. Simply click on it and it will open this settings and privacy page. Now, in this page, simply click on the Meta Account Center option and it will lead you to the Meta Account Center. Now simply go to the account settings and here you can see the password and security option. Simply click on this and it will give you the first option to change the password. Simply click on the change password button and choose the account for which you want to change the password. So then once you have selected the account, you need to type in your current password, then the new password that you want to keep as a new password, and then you need to retype that particular password. So let's do this. I'll typing my current password here and then I will type my new password right here. Then once I have typed my new password, I will re-enter the new password. Then once I have successfully retyped my new password, I have this option to log out of other devices. If I want to log out of all the other devices, it is a step to maintain better security and privacy. But you may also choose to skip it if you don't want to re-log into other devices on which you have been logged in. Then once you have done this, you need to click on this change password button. It will take a while to process. And here you can see that the password has been successfully changed for this particular account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.